Lindsey Adams Buckingham is an American musician, singer, songwriter and producer, best known as lead guitarist and one of the vocalists of the music group Fleetwood Mac from 1975 to 1987 and 1997 to 2018. In addition to his tenure with Fleetwood Mac, Buckingham has released 6 solo albums and 3 live albums. As a member of Fleetwood Mac, he was inducted into the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame in 1998. In 2011, Buckingham was ranked 100th in Rolling Stone's 2011 list of the 100 greatest guitarists of all time. Buckingham is known for his fingerpicking guitar style. Fleetwood Mac, the band that gave Buckingham his greatest exposure, had been around since the late 1960s, beginning as a British blues outfit led by Peter Green. After Green left the group, they experienced several tumultuous years without a stable frontman. Buckingham was invited to join the group in 1974. They had recorded in the same studio, and the band was lacking a guitarist and male lead vocal. As a stipulation to joining, Buckingham insisted his musical and romantic partner Stevie Nicks also be included. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.